Hello guys, we are here at the closed Hibachi Grill and Supreme Buffet in Watchung, New Jersey. If you guys recall, back when I first started my channel, I filmed this place. This is the Blue Star Shopping Center in Watchung, New Jersey. They have a Kohl's here, ShopRite, Marshalls. I think an American Freight store that just came in. They probably took over some store. They got a Wendy's here, an Arby's, like right down there, that white building. That ShopRite looks like it's been here since like the 80s or 90s. You know, it's pretty old. They got the Kohl's right next to it. I know that Kohl's took a lot. They took a lot of the old former Caldor locations back in the day. But I don't think this was a former Caldor. I don't know what it was before, but I think this shopping center has been here since like the late 80s and early 90s. There's also a Dollar Tree right next to this place. Right there, and you got a little store right next to it at the end. And I remember filming the Toys R Us and Babies R Us that was close to some other stores down there. I think the American Freight store, which is like right here, it used to be a Sears outlet store, and there's several other stores down there, down that way. I might do a revisit of the video after this, see what has changed with the Toys R Us and Babies R Us, so see what that's about. But let's get back to this. So the signage used to be here and on the front over there. So this place is available for lease. Levin Management. What does it say here in this sign? Hibachi Grill and Supreme Buffet. 11 properties. Eviction notice to tenant. August 2021. Huh. So this place closed down possibly in 2021. So this was a lobby area. You see Hibachi Buffet. Some of the tables and chairs here. It's a shame this place closed down. I think this place had mediocre reviews on Google, so I heard the food wasn't that great. Wow, that's so cool. I see this old soda signage here. Pepsi. That's a cool Pepsi sign. Good sign. I see the buffet area right here. And the soda machine here. Pepsi. Fire extinguisher, of course. Yellow caution sign there. Let's go around, guys. Got some seating over here. Everybody that wants to sit outside. We're in February, first week, guys. I can't believe it's already February. This is like crazy. What kind of cart is this? Oh, it's a ShopRite one. There's a better look at the ShopRite. Doesn't that give you that like 90s vibe kind of when you look at it? It's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, I think this shopping center probably been here since the 90s in the Blue Star. This is the type of stuff that I like old shopping centers and malls. This is a good, kind of a big buffet restaurant. The building's kind of big for a buffet. They painted over this. Some kind of switch. No doorbell. There's a Kohl's cart over there. What the hell is that doing there? The rest of the parking area. So This was the dumpster area. Nothing really much special there. Here's the other parking area. Sprinkler room. Electric panels. Oh crap. Ran into a branch. I doubt this is gonna be open. Yeah. Look at that old sign. Exit Route 22 West Solely, Plainfield, Starfield. That sign looks like it's been there for a very long time. We come to the other side of the buffet. I don't know how long this buffet restaurant has been here for. Who knows? Maybe also since the 90s. Maybe it was under a different name. This is cool. We see it's like a area of the buffet. Chairs, tables, all left behind. They got some kind of design on this one of the windows they have here, kind of oriental, and they have this picture right here on the left. Let's go to the front. There's a mattress firm across this buffet, and also Party City, Lens Crafters, Panera Bread. There's another store. Oh, there's some other stores down there. Wingstop. I don't know what those two stores at the end. Can't really tell. For lease, up to 8,500 square feet pad site. Here's the phone number there, guys, if you're interested. Can't see too much because of these stupid blinds. Sorry, guys. The windows are dirty too. I wonder when's the last time they cleaned them. That's unfortunate that we can't see a whole lot inside the place because they covered the blinds. They have an open sign here. That's disappointing because I come here trying to film a place and then I find out most of these blinds are closed. That sucks. Freaking guys, you don't make it any easier. There's a door here. Can't see anything through it. Great. That is so dumb. Can't see anything through there either. They had the mailbox here. Aloha crab there. Aloha crab. I smell the food, guys. It's the Wendy's. Suggestion. I got a suggestion mailbox. Yeah, judging by like how old this building looks. I mean, honestly, it's not really old, but I'm thinking it's been here since maybe the 90s. Yeah. There's a sticker here from 2013. They have a speaker box here. Custom. Wow. Never really see one of those. Just want to see through here again, see if I see anything interesting. Like I said, I can't really see a whole lot. through these blinds. So yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the closed Hibachi Grill and Supreme Buffet here in Watchung, New Jersey. I'm gonna see if I can film this revisit of the Toys R Us and Baby R Us that's closed here. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out. Bye bye.